Bananas are known for their nutritional value, being an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber. There are many ways to consume bananas, including in the form of smoothies and juices. While both banana smoothies and banana juices are popular, there is some debate about which is healthier. In this video, we will discuss the nutritional value of both banana smoothies and banana juices and examine which is more healthy. Banana smoothie. A banana smoothie is a blend of ripe bananas, milk, yogurt, and other ingredients such as honey or nuts. It is a popular drink and is consumed for its taste as well as its nutritional value. A banana smoothie is considered healthy due to the many nutrients it contains. For example, bananas are high in fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants that help protect the body against disease. Milk and yogurt are both sources of protein and calcium, which are essential for building strong bones and muscles. Yogurt also contains probiotics that can help improve gut health. Additionally, nuts such as almonds or cashews that are added to a smoothie can provide healthy fats and protein, which help to keep the body full and satisfied. The nutritional value of a banana smoothie depends on the ingredients used. A smoothie made with whole milk and full-fat yogurt can be high in calories and fat, while a smoothie made with low-fat milk and Greek yogurt can be a healthier option. The amount of added sugar can also vary between different smoothie recipes, and it is important to be mindful of this, as consuming too much added sugar can lead to health problems such as obesity and type 2 diabetes. Banana juice. Banana juice, on the other hand, is made by extracting the juice from a ripe banana. It is a less common way of consuming bananas than a smoothie, but it still has its proponents. One of the benefits of banana juice is that it is easy to digest and is quickly absorbed by the body. Additionally, banana juice is a good source of vitamin C and potassium, as well as other vitamins and minerals. However, the nutritional value of banana juice is not as high as that of a banana smoothie. One of the reasons for this is that the juicing process removes the fiber content of the banana. Fiber is an essential nutrient that helps to regulate digestion and prevent constipation. By removing the fiber, banana juice can cause a spike in blood sugar levels and may not be as filling as a smoothie. Another potential issue with banana juice is the amount of added sugar that can be present in commercially available options. Some manufacturers may add extra sugar or artificial sweeteners to their banana juice products to enhance the taste, which can lead to health problems such as obesity and diabetes. Which is healthier, banana smoothie or banana juice? When it comes to determining which is healthier between banana smoothies and banana juices, the answer is not straightforward. Both options have their pros and cons and can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet. In general, banana smoothies are considered to be the healthier option due to the higher nutritional value they provide. Smoothies contain the whole fruit, including the fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, smoothies are often made with other nutritious ingredients such as milk, yogurt, and nuts, which can provide additional vitamins and minerals. However, it is important to note that not all smoothies are created equal. Some smoothie recipes can be high in calories, fat, and added sugar, which can negate their health benefits. When making a banana smoothie, it is important to choose healthy ingredients and be mindful of portion sizes.